Have you ever wanted to solve one of these? Have you ever seen loads of tutorials online that can't help you? Well, here I am to help you. If you want to solve this, I'll give you the steps. To start off, you need to make a white cross. To do this, I found the best way is to make all of the white edges on top, like this. And then, you line up this colour with the centres going round. That's lined up. That isn't. That is. So now I have a white cross. The next step is to do the white corners. On the bottom row, you should find a white piece on this row here. Here's one. You need to line up this colour and this colour with the colours of the centres and the edges on the cross. There we go. And you move it away, pull this down, put it in, and then slide it back up. And you've got your white cross. And, and then you've got your corner in. To pull a piece down, simply pull it out, do that. I also inserted this corner, but that was by accident. So do this for all of them to finish off your layer. Then you have the top layer done. To do the first two, line up an edge piece without any yellow on it to make a T. Don't worry about these two pieces, we'll worry about them later. So line them up, and then point the orange or whatever colour it is away. Slide this down, pull the vending machine down, slide it in, and get your drink. Then all you have to do is fix the white. Do this for every edge. Huzzah! If you find that there's an edge piece in here and there isn't any edge pieces that you can use down here, just pretend as if you're putting one of these in it and then take it out again. So you have this edge piece that you can reinsert it. Now we're going to make a yellow cross. Don't worry about the edges for the minute, just worry about the yellow cross. If you have a bar, do this. And you'll get the yellow cross. If you have an L shape, do it twice. And you'll have a yellow cross. If you get a dot, do it twice. And then turn it sideways, and then you have a bar. And there you have it. Now we need to align these edge pieces. The way we do that is we have one algorithm for swapping them. What you do is this. And these edge pieces will be switched. Now we need to place the corners in the right spot. Don't worry if the yellow is like this and it seems like you just need to twist it. We don't have to worry about that for the minute, but to do that we just do this. And then do that once or twice and you'll be good. Next we have to make sure that these are facing upwards, these corners. So we'll do this, 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 this over and over again. Then move the corner into the place. And your cube will be solved.